Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to enable Vibrate for Live Spaces notifications on the X app. If you're someone who doesn't want to miss updates when a live space starts but prefers a discreet alert, turning on vibration is the perfect solution. Follow along step by step, and you'll have it set up in just a minute. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your phone's settings. This is where you can manage all the apps installed on your device, including how they send notifications. Take a second to open your settings before moving on. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app on your phone. Find and select the X app. Once you're inside the app settings, you'll see a range of options that let you control how the app works in the background and how it alerts you. From here, tap on Notifications. This is where the real customization happens. You'll notice that notifications are often organized into different categories, making it easier to control exactly what you want to hear or feel from each type of alert. Now, go ahead and select Notification Categories. Under this section, you'll see different notification types specific to the X app. Look for the one labeled Live Spaces. This is what we're focusing on today. Once you find Live Spaces, tap on it. Inside, you'll notice a setting that lets you toggle on Vibrate. Turn that option on, and from now on, your phone will give you a vibration whenever there's a live space notification. That way, you'll never miss out, even if your sound is off or you're in a quiet environment. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Vibrate for Live Spaces notifications on the X app. It's a simple adjustment, but one that makes your experience much smoother and ensures you stay connected without constantly checking your phone. If you found this helpful, take a moment to apply the same steps to other categories within the app that you care about. Customizing your alerts means you stay in control and only get notified in the way that suits you best. Thanks for following along.